I replaced my entire design workflow with one AI tool. If you are still switching between Photoshop, Canva, Figma, and multiple AI tools just to finish one design, you are wasting hours. I recently discovered an AI called Lovart, and it completely changed how I design. Every time I had an idea, execution slowed me down. I had to brainstorm in one tool, generate images in another, arrange layouts somewhere else, then fix everything in Photoshop. By the time the design was finished, the motivation was gone. Lovart fixes that. Lovart is not just an image generator. It works like a full-time professional designer that never gets tired, never gets frustrated, and works with you 24/7. Everything happens on one infinite canvas. Ideas, layouts, images, text, and edits all live in the same space. Let me show you what I mean. Let me show you how I create a stunning portfolio website for my AI-generated art. It should look professional, load quickly, and work flawlessly on all devices. So here in the home page of the Lovart website, here you can easily select the model you need. This button allows you to choose from various options. We have a variety of image models available. Among them are the latest models, such as Nano Banana Pro and GPT Image 1.5. We have video models available. Additionally, there are 3D generator models. Let's make it auto, so it's going to choose the best model for us. You can also turn on the web search, so the results is going to be accurate and real time. Also, we have the option to choose the fast or thinking mode. So I'm going to choose the thinking mode for the better response. First, I'm going to outline the purpose and scalability of the website. Then, I'll determine the overall visual style. So first, I'm going to prompt the overall website design, like button clicks, hover effect, and cursor movement. Next, I'm going to make sure each main feature has its own dedicated page. Next, let's focus on designing the home page. We'll determine its appearance and layout. Next, let's describe how artwork should be organized and navigated. We can also add this prompt to define how users view individual artworks. Then, we can add a prompt for the About page explaining the creative process. We can also add this for the Contact page. Let's also create a captivating atmosphere and adds a touch of subtle magic throughout the site. Finally, let's add the performance requirements and the emotional tone. Alright, so now that our prompt is completed, we can just click on here to generate our website. While the website is getting ready, let me quickly show you something cool. Lovart includes a powerful image editing feature that allows you to select and separate individual elements within an image rather than working with a single flattened layer. You can also click directly on any text inside the image and convert it into fully editable text. We'll take advantage of this feature shortly when we start designing our logo, so you can see exactly how it works in a real design workflow. And just like that, the website's ready. Let's take a look. As you can see here, we have an infinite Canva. We have 4 pages available as we requested in the prompt. Let's explore the interactivity of each page. You can see how the website responds to your actions. You can see the mouse has some effects on the screen. These effects are just as we requested in the prompt. Notice how the cards respond to the mouse hover. They shift and transform as we move the mouse over them. You'll notice the menu at the top. It also has a hover effect. Let's check the art collection page. As you can see, we also have an amazing menus for this page. One of the best features of these designs is that you can download them and open them in an editor like Visual Studio Code. Inside the editor, you'll see all the website's code. You can customize it, change the styling as you wish. You can explore all the CSS, JavaScript, and HTML code. Each line is customizable. You can download the entire code for your personal use. Another thing we can do is request a mobile version of the website. Let me show you how. Let me just go to the chat section and ask this. Make these pages optimized for mobile view 375 pixels width, standard iPhone size. Then we can click here to create it. Alright, the responsive version of the website is ready. Let's click here and see how the pages appear on a mobile device. This will give us a clear view of the responsiveness of our website. Alright, with the website ready, let's move on. I'll show you how to create images, like logos, and how to edit them. Let's switch to the Nano Banana Pro model. We'll use this prompt, create a logo for Sahand Art. It must be an image. We can remove the web search and click on the button to generate it. There it is, our logo is ready. You can see it right here. We have 3 distinct logos, each featuring the name Sahand Art. One of the fantastic features of Lovart is that you can edit your images. You can modify individual elements within them. For instance, if I click on Edit Elements, I can adjust each part of the image. Now, let's take a closer look at our image. We have successfully created an editable version. This means you can make changes to it as needed. You can move the image around, change the logo, and even edit the text as you wish. You can also adjust the position and change the background separately. Additionally, one of the fantastic features is that you can select this option and modify the text. It will extract the text from the image. For example, here I want to change it to Sahand Arts instead. Now, we have our newly created logo ready for use. It features the name Sahand Arts in the same style as before. As you can see, it got the same style of the previous one, just the letter S is added to the end. Once you're satisfied with your logo and all other aspects, you can proceed to download it. The download option provides the highest quality PNG format. Lovart is an excellent tool for a wide range of professionals. It is perfect for creators, developers, startups, marketers, and designers. If you need websites, branding, posters, product images, or videos, this replaces your entire design stack. Lovart also offers free credits daily. This allows you to explore and experiment with all its features. You can try everything yourself without any cost. If you want to speed up your design process and turn your ideas into professional results in minutes, Lovart is the tool for you. The link to get started is in the description. I hope you found this video both enjoyable and informative. I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next tutorial.